Could the energy crisis in Zimbabwe be the key to understanding the recent political shifts in the country? Let's delve into this intriguing narrative. In the heart of southern Africa, Zimbabwe has been grappling with severe electricity outages, impacting the daily life and businesses of its people. The current president, Mnangagwa, promised energy sufficiency if re-elected, but the instability in power supply and high inflation rates continue to plague the nation. Enter the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, led by Nelson Chamisa. This opposition party challenged the ruling ZANU-PF party, which has held power since 1980. The party's key aim was to bring about change, particularly in the area of electricity generation. However, the road to change was not without its bumps and bends. The CCC faced numerous challenges, including banned rallies, alleged police bias, and accusations of election rigging. Despite these obstacles, the CCC supporters remained determined to bring about change in the country. However, the CCC's fall came unexpectedly. Nelson Chamisa, the leader of the CCC, had advised against accepting a hefty sum of $40,000, yet his advice fell on deaf ears, and the money was accepted, with the exception of Rusty Markham. Chamisa suggested a boycott of the swearing-in ceremony, but his party members went ahead with it. He even proposed pulling out of the by-election race, but they registered themselves under CCC and some as independent candidates. As the CCC crumbled, Chamisa was left standing amidst the ruins of a party that had once promised change. But was Chamisa responsible for the fall of the CCC? The answer is not as straightforward as it may seem. Chamisa's suggestions were consistently ignored, leading to a series of decisions that ultimately led to the downfall of the CCC. Today, whispers of a new party led by Amos Chibaya and Gift Ostolosiziba fill the air. As we look forward to the future of Zimbabwe's political landscape, we remember the rise and fall of the CCC. We remember the role of Nelson Chamisa, a leader whose advice was ignored by his own party. To summarize, the energy crisis in Zimbabwe led to the rise of the CCC, a party that aimed to bring about change. However, the CCC fell due to a series of decisions made against the advice of its leader, Nelson Chamisa. As we look forward to the future, we anticipate the formation of a new party, hinting at yet another shift in Zimbabwe's political landscape. This has been an exploration into the intriguing world of Zimbabwean politics, a journey that has led us from the energy crisis to the fall of the CCC, and finally to the emergence of a new political party. Every step of the way, we've seen the role of Nelson Chamisa, a leader whose advice was not heeded and who now stands at the brink of a new political era in Zimbabwe.